Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to review this Namya's Lip Serum, which is Advanced Brightening Therapy. I am reviewing this product after 6 months of usage. So if you want to see an unbox video, first impression of this product, do click the I button above. I have already done a video on this, but this is my update after 6 months. What changes it did to my lips and what are the advantages of using this and also the pros and cons of this product. Before we begin, I will tell you a little bit about my lip condition. So I have a very dry and chapped lips. No matter what weather it is outside, I am sure to have cracked lips which also sometimes do bleed. So I have a very dry and chapped lips. Since school days, since childhood, I even visited a dermat to correct this problem. All those fancy lip balms don't really work on me. Only a very few lip balms do really work on my lip skin. So with this, you will understand about my lip skin. So let's move on to the review. As I told you earlier, I have been using this product for 6 months now. So this says Namya's Natural Skincare Lip Serum Advanced Brightening Therapy. So this is a lip serum and not a lip balm. So that's what I had in my mind while buying this product. I don't want a lip balm, I need a lip serum that will heal my dry and chapped lips. I don't want to cover my chapped lips with a tint or a balm that is actually not healing, but I want something that heals the lip skin. Because I have a dry and a chapped lips, I want to heal them. I don't want to cover them with a tint, but I need some product that will heal it. So that is what I kept in mind while buying this product, and did it do so? Yes. It did. It did actually work on my lips, guys. I'm serious. I'm not joking. I'm not getting paid to tell this. But it is actually working. I'm really surprised that it is working because very few lip balms work on my skin. So let me read a little bit about this product that is written on the back of the packaging. Namya's Advanced Brightening Lip Serum is formulated to nourish, hydrate and shield lips from harsh elements. It protects and moisturizes all day for lasting relief. It lightens dark lips and prevents their further darkening from smoking. It even repairs damage caused to the lips because of cosmetics. So this is what they say about the product. Guys, look at the packaging. I can read everything for you from the packaging, from the tube itself. I don't need that outer carton. I don't need that outer packaging to know about the ingredients, benefits or manufacturing detail, expiry date especially, and everything is written on the tube itself, which is very convenient. So whenever I get confused or whenever I get curious on what I'm putting on my lips, so I readily turn the back of the tube and read what are the ingredients present in the product. So let me read the benefits for you guys. So it says lightens dark lips because of smoking. It didn't say it will lighten dark lips because of pigmentation. It said it will lighten dark lips because of smoking. Then it says repairs and restores damaged caused lips. Brightens and evens out the skin tone of your lips to natural pink. Moisturizes and heals chapped lips. 100% natural. So the first claim is lightens dark lips because of smoking. I'm not sure about that because I don't smoke. So I'm not sure about this claim. The second claim is repairs and restores damage caused to the lips. This is so true. This is very true. So when I apply this serum is that I don't really use this serum every single day because this is not a lip balm, this is a lip serum. So what I do is, so whenever I get this severe dry and chapped lips, which is bleeding. It will not bleed every single day. I will not get dry and chapped lips every single day, but at least once a week I will get dry and chapped lips, which is also tend to bleed. So that time I use this serum. Actually, I'm using this as an ointment. I apply this serum on my lips, go to sleep. The next morning there will be some improvement in my lips. So I've used it for 2 to 3 days to see the maximum result. So what result it gave me is it healed my cracked and dry lips. I don't know how to say it, guys, but it actually healed. After that 2 to 3 days, I will not use this lip serum. I will continue with my lip balm itself. So when you get a wound on your skin, you will apply ointment for 2 to 3 days. When it has healed, you will not continue to apply the ointment, right? That's how this lip serum is working on my skin. That's how exactly it is working on my skin, like an ointment. And also I do remember that my dermatologist, when I visited during my school days for my dry and chapped lips, gave me an ointment, a kind of a cream. It's actually an ointment. So this texture reminds me of that ointment. The texture is amazing, guys. If you have dry and chapped bleeding lips like me, then you should use this product. This is just like an ointment that will heal your lips. So the third claim is brightens and evens out the skin tone of your lips to natural pink. Again, I'm not really sure of this one because I didn't use it every single day, and I don't really worry about the pigmentation, so I'm not sure about this claim. The fourth point is moisturizes and heals chapped lips. Again, very true. It moisturizes, hydrates, and particularly heals the chapped lips. So true, guys, so true. I use this like an ointment, and this has become my holy grail product. I never ever imagined that Namya's skincare lip serum will become my holy grail product, but yes, it has become. And the fifth point is 100% natural, which is again very true. Ingredients include extra virgin olive oil, peppermint oil, vitamin E, aloe vera with other natural ingredients. So you don't have to worry whether you're putting chemicals on your lips. This is 100% natural. So I'm using this Namya's lip serum just 2 to 3 days a week. So I haven't completed this tube. Maybe I have half of the product remaining, I guess. Do check my previous video on this lip serum. I told you I wish this to be more than a lip balm, and yes, it did work more than a lip balm. It didn't coat my lips with a tint. It actually gets inside the lip skin and heals the damages. So this is priced at rupees 240. You can always get this on discount at Nykaa or at Amazon, and I got this around 160, I guess, from Nykaa, and this really worth it, guys. This is so very affordable product that actually works, that actually gets into your skin layer and heals it. So as I told you earlier, I apply this only when I have a severely dried and chapped lips. So that time when I apply, this gives me a slight irritation, a very slight irritation, like how you put your ointment on your wound, it slightly irritates it, right? Within few seconds that irritation will go off. So I'm not really worried about the irritation, because after that you will have amazing lips. But that irritation lasts only for 5 seconds, guys. That is not too overly, which is very mild irritation. The expiry date is 3 years from manufacturing date, which is again really good because you cannot finish this entire tube. If you're using this daily, of course you can. I don't have that need to apply this lip serum every single day. It actually healed and cleared out my lips. So I don't have the need to apply this every single day. So I did not use it. So whenever I have the dry chapped lips, I use this. You can also use this as a lip primer before applying a lipstick. So take a little bit on your fingers, apply it, spread it evenly on your lips, and then apply a lipstick and you're good to go. This actually covered my chapped lips, and the lipstick application was very smooth and seamless. So look at this consistency, guys. Let me show you the product. I'm talking too much about it. I need to show you the consistency of this. So this has this lotion kind of a texture. It has a thick consistency, lotion kind of a consistency. If you think this will get too long to absorb into your lip skin, then you're wrong. The lip serum gets into your lips really quickly, so you can go on with the other work like lip liner, lipstick, and lip glosses. So this is really good. And I love this consistency. Only this type of consistency will work on those severely dry and chapped lips. The lip balm consistency can be used for regular usage and daily usage, but this is like an ointment, this is like a treatment that you can use for your severely dry and chapped lips. I use this as a treatment. You can definitely use this every single day as a lip primer, as a lip balm, or as a lip serum, as it mentioned. And this is also definitely worth for rupees 240, guys, and you can always get this on discount at Nykaa. Even now it is at discount, like 20% or 30% discount. You can definitely get this product at a discounted price. Monsoon is here, your lips may tend to become dry and chapped this season even more. So do take care of your lips, apply this serum at night and go to sleep. You're sure to wake with a soft, smooth and hydrated lips the next morning. So I will leave the links in the description for you to purchase. If you want to purchase this wonderful product, this is my holy grail product. Do purchase it, guys. Use it for yourself and see the result. You will definitely thank me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Deepti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.